Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into my video. I'm Adri and I'll walk you through how a week in my life looks like. I work from home, so I'm mostly at home. And that has its ups and downs like any other work arrangement. We had our coffee in the garden now that the weather is starting to get better and made some plans of all the things we're going to have to do in the garden in the upcoming weeks so that it's ready to go for another season of long days spent in there. I also made some breakfast, and after he went away from work, so did I, upstairs, in my little office nook, and started going through the week priorities and tasks I'm planning to tackle. Setup, so I've got my iPad there in case I want to watch anything. I've got my laptop, I've got my to-do list here, and a new addition to my setup. This is my stand-up desk. You wouldn't believe it, would you? Let me show you how it works. So basically, that is my cat's tower that he never uses. So what I'm doing is I'm putting my laptop here, usually on a stand, so that it's the perfect size. Then I just stand up here and like do my stuff, but it's perfect. It's free. I mean, it's not free. I already bought it. I already had it. I don't have to buy stand-up desks. They are very expensive. And whenever I get bored of sitting down, which is not today because today I have a lot of work, I move my computer there. But also Mondays for me are really busy. Mondays I need to send reports to all of my clients. I need to make sure that, especially when it's the beginning of a new month, like today is the first Monday of a new month, I have to send monthly reports on top of the weekly reports. So it's a lot of reports. It's a lot of data analysis, sending things over, making sure everything's done. I always check my emails on Monday mornings to make sure that there are no emergencies that need my attention. But this is basically my Mondays. Every Monday is like this, and I don't hate it. I actually quite enjoy it. I know it's a lot of like Excel, but I love Excel. I'm a nerd, so that's fine for me. But let's get on with it. It's currently 11 o'clock. I had a big breakfast, as you've seen earlier, so I'm not gonna take my lunch until later today. And yeah, lots of things to do. It's about 3 o'clock now. I've had my calls. I still have a call from 4 to 5 where I'm gonna use my stand-up desk. But what I want to do now is have a little bit of a snack. I also want to take a little bit of a break because I looked at screens for a while. So I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, put some other dirty dishes on and that sort of thing, and then we're gonna have a peanut butter and apples snack. I really like tidying my space. It gives me more peace of mind and makes me more productive, and it's my favorite type of break because it takes me away from screens for a second and it makes me do something with my hands. It might be just quickly tidying some spacing in the house, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, but it's few pockets of time per day where I just disconnect from work, and I think it overall makes me a better employee and a better human. These are the kinds of benefits you don't have when you work in an office because you always have to plan your life outside and around that 9 to 5. You're never usually available within that time. For me, I can have a plumber come in to check something in the middle of the day because it's not going to take away from my work. I can put a load of laundry in the morning and have it ready by the evening because it only takes 10 to 15 minutes total for me. These are some of the benefits I really enjoy about working from home. I'm not saying it's all good because it isn't, and everything has a downside as well, but it works for me. I made myself a cup of tea, a snack, and went on a little break from work. Right, so I have a bit of a snack. I made some apple with peanut butter. I have a tea. I have a glass of water. I'm currently playing a game of TFT just to take a break from work. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video and then we're going back upstairs to my desk. Sorry about that. Hope you're fine. After I finished work, I changed into my comfy PJs and went downstairs to read my new obsession book, The Institute by Stephen King. It was a takeaway day in our household as there was a new burger place open in town, so we couldn't not try it ourselves. They were amazing. Another morning. I tried working out today. I had all the intentions of doing it, get ready, placed my mat, but you know when you just can't work out, you're just not in the mood? This was one of these days for me, so instead I just did a bit of stretching and read my book. Sometimes you have to listen to your body. I made some coffee afterwards to start my day, made some breakfast, protein porridge with apples. After breakfast, I got ready for the day and started a busy day of calls. Currently about 4 o'clock, 4:30. I haven't been able to film anything because I haven't done anything. I've been in back-to-back meetings and the only thing that I've ate today was a quarter of a burger that was left from last night. Basically, that's it. So now I'm gonna make a nice meal because I want to eat, then I want to work a little bit more, and I want to work out tonight because I haven't worked out in the morning, so I have to work out in the evening. But now let's just eat something good. I had something to eat and ended the day by finishing up on work and then actually working out in the evening. I try to do it 3 times a week, and whenever I can't do it in the morning, I make it my priority to do it in the evening. Another morning starts with another quick tidy up. Followed by a sweet breakfast this morning, some sourdough toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I crave things like this instead of something more consistent. We didn't have any groceries that day, so I ordered some chicken for lunch, and then before I went to sleep, we actually received our weekly grocery order. So I unpacked that quickly and also made sure my flowers were put nicely into a vase. Morning. Another day, a nice filling breakfast. I haven't filmed much, work was a bit hectic, and there was a lot of rain today, but something I've been doing lately after days like this, where everything is on fast forward, is to paint. I got this paint by numbers at Christmas, and I've been working on it since. I then finished my workout and then to sleep. Saturday was a cleaning day for me, so I wanted to make sure I hoovered, dust, mop, the whole thing. I moved some plants around as well, as I realized that the one in the bathroom wasn't happy with its placement at all, and brought one that doesn't require as much light. I had to pause cleaning as my boyfriend got off work quicker, and we went out in the city, picked up some takeaway and came home. I did some more painting and went back to cleaning. I love the feeling of a freshly cleaned house, especially on a weekend, so you have nothing to worry about the whole week. This is how I ended Saturday, and then Sunday I just chilled, painted some more and did nothing worth filming. It was just a relaxing weekend day for me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thanks again if you've watched until the end. I really appreciate it. See you next time.